Hello and welcome to another episode of The Naked Turner. We got some neighborhood music here in the background, and I just sharpened up the blade on this wonderful old early 1900s Stanley, and this is a Stanley number 36 plane. Tightened up some of the parts, but it's missing the knob here on the front. So I'm going to actually turn a new knob for it. And the body's made out of oak. So I'm over here in the shop and I got a piece of some oak here that I just turned into to round. I'm going to flip it around in my chuck now and finish off that square end there, and then turn it into a new ball end for that handle. Alright, so far what I've done now is turn the other end off, drill a hole, make a little countersink for a screw, because that screw goes through this and then mounts into the base of the plane. So I'm getting really close. I'm just going to kind of play around with how this feels. I personally like a little bit of a flat shoulder rather than a complete round, just because I have big hands. But what I'm going to do next here, I'm going to actually go on image search for images of this plane and try to make something similar that's maybe even a little more ergonomic for my big gammy hands. Alright, so here it is, finished. Made the replacement handle. Turned out real nice, and it's extremely functional now. I got the blade on this nice and sharp as well, and then kind of oiled everything up, and it's actually working really well. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and share, and thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not, click subscribe and become a subscriber. Alright, so I just really quickly wanted to show you how sharp I got this blade. See that? Shaving the hair right off of me. So, it's really sharp. And, whoops. It's definitely really sharp. And I hope you saw that. See that? Shaves the hair right off. You can see the bald spot on my arm.